Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Siri on Android phone. Alright, let's begin. As everyone knows, there is no way to install an iOS feature like Siri on Android device. But I have got a new trick that will help you get a full-fledged voice assistant just like Siri for free. In order to get it, first of all, open the Play Store on your mobile device and make sure you are signed into your account. Now, go to the search bar and search for Voice Access. Here, tap on this app and install it onto your device. Once it is installed, open it up and you will be asked to allow some permissions. After allowing them, go back to the app and agree to the terms and conditions. Now, enable this toggle, tap on Done and scroll down to the bottom. Here, checkmark this Listen feature and continue to the last screen. On the last window, tap on Finish and your voice assistant is now completely set up. After that, tap on the voice assistant button and start talking. You will also be able to know the sentences you say at the top, and here you can see that it is fully functional. So that's basically how you can use Siri on Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.